Okay, question 8. A force of 50 Newton is exerted on a bolt A as shown in this diagram. So we have to determine both the horizontal and vertical components lah. Okay, so you're not up to this chapter yet, but what you're gonna do is you would always draw a free body diagram. So A is the point here. So we are looking at a point. The point is the image lah, the system. Okay, so at point A there is a force going out 50 Newton. There's a force at that bolt 50 Newton, and then we have to find the vertical as well as the horizontal component kan. So this one is Fy, this one is Fx. Okay, so before we start, I have to explain, before we continue the solution, I have to explain that we have a standard xy axis. Okay, so we are always gonna look at this axis. So this is the x-axis, right? As well as this one. However, if the direction of the force is going to the right, or anything that goes to the right, we would call it as negative. And then positive ba? Positive, right? If it goes the other way around to the left, it will be negative. Okay, same applies to the vertical component. If it's going up, it is positive. If it's going down, it is negative. Okay, so make sure you understand that part. Okay, so now we can continue our solution. So the 50 Newton is at an angle of 40 degree to the horizontal component, right? So we can then write x component is what? So the x component is, I'll write f lah di sini. Okay, so x component is f cos theta. Okay, again, why is it cos? It is because the angle 40 degree is on the horizontal component. Okay, so f is 50 cos 40 degree. Right, then this one is 38.30 Newton. However, we are looking at the direction because force is a vector. So since we have to consider the direction, we have to look at this configuration here. Since it is going to the left, we have to write negative. Okay, we have to write negative to show the direction of the force lah. Right? Now for y component pula, Fy is equal to f sine theta. Again, why is it sine theta? It is because there is no angle at the y component. So we are using the angle at the x component. Okay, so that's why we are using sine theta. Okay, so this one is going up, means positive, so it stays positive. We don't have to write anything. So 50 sine dengan sine 40 degree. So you will then get 32.14 Newton. Okay, so that is the horizontal and vertical components of the force lah. Alright.